Mm-hmm. How do you feel about that?
It moved.
Yay!
Yeah.
It's first voyage.
First voyage.
Out the garage.
Pissing my neighbors off.
Yay, are you so excited?
Yes!
Woo! It's good news.
Yeah.
It rolled, you guys. It rolled and it stopped.
Ooh-wee. Man, long time coming for that. Yeah, buddy. Take a look at it now in the daylight. They don't get to see it in the daylight.
It's a beautiful car. We'll just focus on this part.
Man, this thing moved.
Yay! I'm so proud of you.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, man. Long time coming. Long time coming. So that's it. I just wanted to film that. I'll do more in regards to, I don't know. I don't even know what to say.
Yay! Speechless,
yeah.
everybody. This is amazing. Atlas!
Well, y'all, as you can see, the Chevelle is behind me, out of the garage. And no, I did not push it. This thing rolled out on its own. And man, the feeling, I can't describe it, man. I can't describe it, man. Been working on this thing for so long, and she out here. She out here, man. I mean, woo-wee. Takes on a different look in that daylight. But as you can see, y'all, the body's straight. Body straight. And that thing is looking nice in here. Nice. Ooh-wee. Yeah, y'all moved out on her own. So I've been messing with the transmission fluid for a while. I don't know how much fluid was in it before, and so it's taken me a long time to kind of fill this thing. I didn't know where to start, so I've been like every quart I just kind of like just wait and let it settle, then I kind of like start it for a little bit to kind of pump the fluid through for a second. I only start it for maybe like 5 seconds to kind of let the fluid cycle through. Then I check it again. If it's low, I fill it some more, so I'm up to like maybe 6.5 quarts that I've put in, and it's starting to register on the dipstick, but I don't know, I just don't know how much. But it moved on its own, so obviously it has to have some fluid in it. And I don't know, I think I just periodically, I'm just gonna keep checking it, and you know, it's not going far, and I'm just gonna keep checking it and checking it, filling it and checking it, filling it and checking it, and kind of just going from there. But yeah, y'all, she running. Wires everywhere. And then batteries working, obviously, so got that installed there. So all this wiring is just kind of temporary so I can get the car to the shop. But man, gas tank looking good. Gas tank in there looking fresh and clean. Ooh wee. Yeah, y'all. I don't even know what to say, man. I'm about to cut this video short because I got to get ready and go, and I'm just speechless. I'm just speechless, man. I don't even know. I had some, it doesn't have exhaust, so it sounds like a freaking NASCAR, but I had some people coming over and be like, oh, that thing sounds good. And, you know, I don't know. I don't want to piss off the neighbors or anything. But stay tuned for more, y'all. Stay tuned. We coming. We out here. It's going down. All right. Chevelle moved on its own. The build is coming into fruition. Yeah, buddy. Y'all know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Y'all let me know what you think about the Chevelle moving on its own and what you guys think about it, seeing it in the daylight for the first time in a long time. All right. Well, holla, y'all. Peace out. Let me come to the good side. Let me come to the good side. Later.